Hello everyone, my name is Pranav and I'm a legal intern in Lexis and Company. So in today's video I'm going to talk about a very important landmark case, and this case comes under the ambit of international humanitarian law. So the name of the case is Prosecutor versus Bemba and it is a 2018 judgment. So in the case of Prosecutor versus Bemba, it was a significant trial before the International Criminal Court, which is the ICC, involving Jean-Pierre Bemba Gombo, a former Congolese politician and militia leader. Bemba faced charges of war crimes and crimes against humanity for acts committed by his militia, the Movement for the Liberation of Congo, which was known as the MLC, during the year of 2002 and 2003 conflict in the Central African Republic. The case marked the first time that the ICC prosecuted an individual solely on the basis of his command responsibility for crimes committed by the subordinates. The prosecution alleged that Bemba failed to exercise control over his troops and that they engaged in widespread acts of murder, rape, and constituting war crimes and crimes against humanity. The trial involved substantial evidence, including witness testimonies, documents, and expert reports, to establish Bemba's knowledge for the crimes and his failure to prevent and punish all of them. Bemba maintained that he had no control over the actions of his troops once they were deployed to the CAR, and that he took reasonable measures to address any crimes committed. The trial spanned several years and concluded in 2016, followed by the deliberations of ICC judges. In June 2018, the ICC Appeals Chamber overturned Bemba's conviction, finding that he could not be held criminally responsible for the actions of his subordinates, as he had taken reasonable measures to prevent and punish crimes. The appeal chamber clarified that the legal standards for command responsibility, emphasizing that the commander would be liable if he failed and to take all necessary and reasonable measures within his power to prevent and punish crimes. The decision of this case had a significant implication for the understanding of command responsibility in international criminal law, reinforcing the requirement for commanders to demonstrate genuine efforts to prevent and punish crimes committed by their subordinates. The acquittal of Bemba promoted discussions regarding the challenges of prosecution. Individuals based on command responsibility and the level of control commander must exert over their subordinates to establish criminal liability. Following his acquittal, Bemba was released from ICC custody, although he still faced separate legal proceedings relating to the witness tampering in the different cases. So here I am just going to wind up this video, and if you guys have any doubt regarding this, you can just ping me in the comment box, and accordingly I will get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much guys, and have a nice day.